करने वाले हैं। सो देखते हैं आज क्या कर सकते हैं।
सो आज हम वो रेस्टोरेंट्स को रिव्यू देने वाले हैं जो 100 या उससे भी ज़्यादा पुराना है। सो लेट्स फिगर इट आउट कि वो खाना सच में हाइट है या फिर इट्स ओवर हाइट। लेट्स फिगर इट
सो
आउट।
लेट्स सी, बाय बाय। तो हम इधर पहुंच गए पुराने ईरानी रेस्टोरेंट में जिसका नाम है ब्रिटानिया एंड कंपनी। सो इसका वाइब बहुत ही अच्छा कोजी एंड ओल्ड वाइब देता है, विंटेज वाइब। और इधर बहुत अच्छा पारसी कुजिन भी है। देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ like crazy rules like written over there which we have to follow, and it is such a a very peaceful place, and it has so many there's a certificate of excellence in over there. So we have ordered some specialities also, which is one is chicken farcha. It's like they have told it's a speciality, and one cheese sandwich. So that what we have ordered, and let's see how the food is. This is the cheese sandwich. It's literally bread and cheese. Cheese भी पुरानी है. The cheese is also not full, bro. It's just a bun maska that we get for rupees 50 rupees outside the stall.
And this cost us rupees 200. And with this, they have given one ketchup bottle. So this is the cheese sandwich. I'm waiting for the chicken farcha.
Hope that doesn't disappoint us.
Yes.
I think so. The sauce is very watery. You can see here.
I think we shouldn't have mixed it properly. I think we have some good experience.
I think so. This place only charges us for the place or the area.
Maybe the because I don't feel this is effort at all. Literally.
So now fingers are crossed that at least
Chicken
second dish, that is chicken farsa, doesn't disappoint us.
Initial reaction.
बड़ा है this farsa.
Aloo है. I think it's aloo. This is aloo. It's bland.
It's
Bland. But it just, I think it's cooked well. Watching us, तो अपन थोड़ा दूर जाते हैं. That place was like not worthy at all. It was not worth of money. मतलब हमने 2 चीज़ें मंगाई and one cheese was like the cheese sandwich with like legit bread and cheese. And second thing, जो chicken हमने फर्चा मंगाया, it was just a fried chicken in egg and it has no flavor at all, not even salt and pepper.
बटाट्याचा चिवडा.
बटाटाचा चिवडा. ती खूप छान आहे.
आधी फराली चिवडा.
नहीं है.
नहीं है.
We just got bombarded by this.
उनको क्या बोलूँ कि इधर हमारे पैसे चले गए.
In our opinion, you guys shouldn't visit this place because we didn't like the food at all. It was not worth
It
of
was
money.
not our taste.
Not even taste buds. Like it was not. It is not for those people who like the spicy or a flavorful food. It's just a bland food. Not even salt, pepper properly. So, the vibe is nice. I would suggest for the vibe only.
If you want to visit something historical place,
Yeah, so you
this
can.
is a great option.
Other than for food, it's no, not at all. No. So after being disappointed by that particular
Irani restaurant,
area, so our next destination is Panchampuri Wala. It's from
since
48.
1848. Yeah, that's
So
very
it's more
old.
than 100 years. So let's go and figure it out.
And
whether-
especially known for Indian food.
So this place is actually so old. It's from 1848. 150 years plus हो गया है. और यहाँ पे हर जगह से लिखे हुए हैं, ऐसा होल्डिंग्स लगे हुए हैं कि कितना पुराना है. ऑल द न्यूज़ पेपर्स एंड एवरीथिंग है. और सच में इधर बहुत ज़्यादा गर्दी है.
Like इतना गर्दी कि हम इधर वेटिंग पे 10 मिनट से खड़े हैं और like the craze of this restaurant is clearly we can see the craze.
Insane. Like it's so affordable, right? Like The sabbziyas are for 70 and all the Pancham special thalis are for like 300 and 210.
कि रॉयल और पंचम थाली में क्या डिफरेंस है और उसके हिसाब से लेते हैं. इफ देयर इज एन आमरस,
Seem to like armrest, do you?
आई लाइक मैंगो गर्ल.
नहीं आमरस किसी में नहीं.
आमरस अवेलेबल नहीं है वैसे.
मैंगो गर्ल.
तो सच में
कैसे डिसअपॉइंटमेंट ही हो रहा है. नारियल फोड़ के आना चाहिए था.
वाइब की इधर से मेरे को डिसअपॉइंटमेंट नहीं मिलेगी. आई एम गेटिंग अ वाइब ऑफ दैट.
Yes, yes. What do you say?
आमरस होना चाहिए था. मैंगो गर्ल. पंचम रॉयल, उसमें 5 टाइप्स की पूरी, 5 टाइप की सब्जियाँ, पुलाव, और लस्सी और something छाछ दे. So we are getting that all in this one plate. And I plate. And this is just only for 3 rupees.
इन द ब्रिटानिया वेयर ऑल द टेबल्स वेर खाली. लाइक कोई नहीं था उधर और हम अकेले थे उधर. दिस प्लेस हमें 15-20 मिनट वेट करना पड़ा है टू गेट अ सीट. सो यू कैन इमेजिन द हाइट बिटवीन दीज टू प्लेस.
And the taste of this restaurant is good. So this is the
ये सब कितने में आया है guys?
300 का.
this is puri number 1. This is an
आई थिंक पालक पूरी है.
Yeah, this is
And this
palak.
is some मूंग दाल का फिलिंग.
This is masala puri.
Yes. So I am trying this with the paneer की सब्जी.
This is whatever
Aloo bhaji.
sabzi.
This paneer की भाजी is outstanding.
Best.
So nice. And chole. It's perfectly cooked and it is giving me that Amritsari chole vibes because it is having that kind of taste. Some palak and paneer की
This is
सब्जी.
aloo rasa.
See.
And this is a lassi. Yeah, I will try. It's so thick and so sweet
And this
so good.
curry
That's what
bari.
she said.
I'm gonna taste this curry. My god, this is having such a that soury curd vibe and everything. Like it's perfect. Perfect tarka and everything. Try some rice also.
This is paneer palak. Okay.
It's nice.
It's so good.
Yeah. It's nice. And at the end you'll see the dessert also. It's kheer. And with a top of like badam and everything. Let's try this.
भर भर के बनाने कंजूसी बिल्कुल नहीं की है.
गाइस यहाँ पे छोले के अंदर पनीर है. मैं पहली बार देख रहा हूँ. विश्वास है छोले के अंदर पनीर की सब्जी, पनीर का ये इतना पनीर मैंने अब तक किसी रेस्टोरेंट में नहीं देखा. 300 रुपये में भैया बहुत सही है.
भाई इतना सही था. क्वांटिटी भी इतनी ज़्यादा थी कि हम तीनों से भी ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है.
True. मतलब the flavors amazing, the quantity is amazing, the price is amazing. Like everything at this place is amazing, and I like पक्का recommend करूँगी कि do try this place. They have
स्टेशन से
served
भी
to us.
बहुत करीब है.
Exactly. Next station is I guess 2 minutes का walk है, 2-3 minutes का walk है, and it's such a mouth-watering food now. I must say.
अभी हम इस रेस्टोरेंट के ओनर या फिर आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज, we are gonna ask him the history about this restaurant. So let's see what.
So uncle, ये शॉप कितना पुराना है? So uncle, ये शॉप कितना पुराना है?
ये शॉप ज़्यादा पुराना है, सिर्फ 176 ईयर्स हो.
Oh my God.
मेरी 6th जनरेशन है.
आप
हमारी फैमिली के 6 जनरेशन में से मैं बिलोंग करता हूँ.
और
We started in 1848.
and since then it's continuing.
Yes, family tradition.
And how many?
And sorry to interrupt.
Yes, yes.
7th generation भी already joined कर चुकी है.
Okay, so your son has already joined.
Yes, my
something.
brother. Yes,
Okay.
that's right.
And like in day-to-day life, like in daily basis, how many plates of the main Pancham Sari have been sold? Like per
I
day?
cannot say that.
मतलब
I cannot tell you
how
that.
many people came for single day? Like
देखो एक दिन में
Every day?
around almost 400-500 people आ जाते हैं.
And trivia, sir, how many puris are made one day?
How
Will be
many
lakhs and
puris?
thousands of it, I guess.
one day
Single day?
Why you want me to get in trouble? इसको वहाँ रखा है छत्ते पे.
It seems very
इसी
famous.
तरह.
Yeah,
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
very
By
famous.
God's grace and my people, my customers support, customers love. We have been around.
Because we have
so
ordered
many
the
years.
Royal Thali and it was mouth-watering.
Thank you,
Like
thank you
it
so
was the
much.
best.
See,
Taste
that's
was
what
so good.
we give you the village food.
The comfort, yes,
the
we
घर
have
का
a
खाना.
comfort.
Because people have come. Exactly. वही हम लोग देते हैं. आपको जैसे अलग होटल से अलग रेस्टोरेंट में जैसा टेस्ट हम लोग नहीं देते. We give you what home almost as good as home. You should not miss your own. Yes.
हाँ. Thank you very much.
Anytime, anytime. Welcome, welcome. You guys take
We
care.
will
Right.
revisit it again.
Absolutely. Always welcome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
So after Panchampuri we went to किताब खाना. Sadly उधर फोटोग्राफी एंड वीडियोग्राफी अलाउ नहीं थी, so कुछ रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर पाए. But that place is really very peaceful. If you are a book lover, you should visit that place.
We are heading towards Marine right now, so try something new, very famous, and let's see how it does turn out.
So guys, can you guess where we are at Marines right now?
Of course, it's Rustam Ice Cream.
King mango. एक वॉलनट क्रंच द्या आणि एक
तो हमने ये 3 फ्लेवर्स लिए रुस्तम आइसक्रीम में से. दिस इज मैंगो, दिस इज सीजनल वन एंड दिस इज वेरी टेस्टी. वेनिला एंड पाइनएप्पल.
So flavorful.
This is so
Like real pineapple का taste आ रहा है इसमें. It's so
भाई इट्स सो लाइक लग रहा है कि मैंगो इज बेटर
same
देन
goes with
नेचुरल.
pineapple. Same goes with pineapple.
Is this some? If there's one word you could describe this ice cream, what would it be? So after this, what's our next place?
We have to eat. We are hungry now.
So where are we going now?
We are going at Kolaba.
And Kolaba where?
And we are going to explore some very good places now.
Which we are gonna miss.
So guys, अब हम आए हैं CSMT के दी मोस्ट फेमस कैफ़े मोन्डेगर में, जहाँ पे अब हम कुछ इवनिंग स्नैक्स करने वाले हैं. बहुत फेमस कैफ़े है मुंबई में. चलो हम फर्स्ट टाइम आए, ट्राई करके देखते हैं.
मैं इस जगह पे पहले भी आ चुकी हूँ and I've tried chili garlic noodles and it was bomb. So these people are going to try also. It's the same thing.
So how, do you like the ambience of the cafe?
And it's very nice, so it's aesthetically pleasing.
And we should order some beer also. मेरे को देंगे ही नहीं वाला पता है. मेरे को शक्ल देख के बोलेंगे 20 साल की यही. I've already tried it and I love.
It's too good.
Really?
To be honest, I don't like Chinese food, but this is the best.
So, how was it?
As you can see, it's really very amazing.
मतलब I have been to this place पहले भी, but that's our first time. what was your reaction and what was your review about this place?
The spice level was too amazing. The spice level of the noodles was so good. Yeah, this place is so nice, so cozy, and music and ambience is so very, very, very
So
good.
do you recommend this place to everybody?
Yeah, I definitely recommend this place. Do visit, guys, please.
So please make sure to visit this place because this have great food, even greater ambience, and everything is such perfect for a like a party vibe or something of a South Bombay type. So you must visit this place.
So dish rating?
Dish rating, I would like 8.5 for me.
Yeah. And I would say it's like 9.5 because it is just perfect. The spice level was for my taste, but it should be a little higher. Other than that, it was perfect. Perfect.
Where are we going next?
We are going next for some shopping and then dinner.
So now our next destination is Baghdad, and Baghdadi is said to be even like older than the Gateway of India. Also, it's 134 years old. So and this place is actually best for Irani non-veg food. Like the kind of food which they provide is bomb.
Best.
So let's see and give the review ki whether it's good or not. Chicken khada masala. Okay.
So I have two questions. Like, for someone who is very new to this restaurant, what was the best dish you would recommend in both veg and non-veg? The specialty.
मैंने बताया ना आपको, देखिए जितने भी डिश है हमारा एक सिग्नेचर आइटम है स्टार्टर में चिकन फ्राई।
Okay.
सेकंड वाला स्टार्टर आइटम। ओके, यही फिर हमारा ग्रेवी में सर चिकन फ्राई मसाला,
Okay.
सिग्नेचर आइटम चिकन फ्राई मसाला, चिकन चिली मसाला, मटन मसाला,
Okay. Okay.
मटन कीमा,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
दाल गोश्त, पाया, सब हमारे फेमस आइटम वेरी स्पेशल।
As Paya will.
हाँ पाया।
And sir, how old is this restaurant? Because we are since morning we are going around Mumbai to try all the restaurants which are more than 100 years old.
यस अंडर 30।
130 plus. Because in
134 years ago.
Because in Google we couldn't find the year of it, but it was saying it's older than Gateway of India.
Yeah.
This restaurant.
Saying he is older than Gateway of India only.
130 प्लस 40 के बीच का है सर।
Okay.
133 आई थिंक 135।
That's so nice.
Decision लेना बहुत hard हो गया इनको.
Too many options.
Too many good
And
options.
good options.
So hello guys.
So we have ordered one paneer biryani. This is
Baghdadi special chicken biryani.
and this is chicken crispy in like Irani and Baghdadi style. So let's get the review. This is actually very nice.
Like, I don't want to talk anything. Just 10 on 10. I want to keep eating this.
The rice is perfectly cooked, the masalas are on point, the onions are crispy enough, and there's just 10. And chicken is also cooked perfectly, so it's like 10 on 10 for me. Like 10 on 10.
So how is it?
It's so crispy, bro.
So soft and juicy.
This
See
green
inside.
chutney is very nice.
Yeah.
So, hello sir. So, what is your name?
My name is Romi Irani.
Okay, so myself Tanishka and this is Vedi.
Yes, and we actually are on a target to explore all the like 100 years of Purana restaurants in Bombay.
Yeah, 132 years old.
Can you tell us about this restaurant?
I know there's a fourth generation which is going on.
Yeah.
And I think they started, the grandfather that started from Baghdad days in Baghdad. So they like the name Baghdadi when they came over here. So they started the restaurant named Baghdad.
We know that this restaurant is really very famous. That we saw many celebrities have came here.
Yes.
Suresh Raina
Yes.
and like
This area is very frequent, very frequent.
yeah. That he is trying that Nihari. That we have saw him many times on Instagram.
Jackie Shroff came here.
Yeah, with many famous celebrities have came here. I would like to ask one more question. Do you feel any difference in this generation in taste of like for example nowadays McDonald's has came? So is there any generation change in taste of the food?
See, this generation which is there, they definitely feel that there should be something modified. So every time but our taste is actually the same, similar from very
It's
beginning.
authentic and traditional.
It's not changed at all. That's what people who are coming from long time, they've been telling us 61, 70.
I think that the taste of the food is very traditional and authentic. That's why the food is very famous and the restaurant.
And our master thing is that fried chicken with potato. That will never get anywhere. People get tandoori chicken but will not have fried chicken. So fried chicken with potato is our specialty. It's going on from tradition time. That's very nice.
Next time we will definitely try that thing.
And that's why I told you that you.
From now we will be regular in this.
Oh, sweet of you. Thank you very much. Thanks a
And
lot.
to be honest, first time I'm seeing someone this friendly manager of this restaurant.
My nature is such.
Yes, sir, you are very friendly and kind.
Thank you very much. Thank
And
you.
thank
God
you for
bless.
the discount, sir.
God
Thank you
bless.
so
God
much.
bless. God bless you, beta.
Thank you,
God
sir.
bless you. Thank you very much. See you again.
Yes.
Nice
Bye bye.
meeting you, sir.
Thank you.
This is how old it's like.
We are
Nearly.
actually full
150
by that biryani, but there is some little space here for dessert.
So dessert.
Let's go. Eat it in. Bullet holes say the 2611 attack which happened here. We still kept it as a remembrance that we are strong and not broken. Yeah.
This is a chocolate truffle and this is a mango cheesecake. Both are vegetarian options.
In the Leopold Cafe, I am dying to try these things.
Why is your face like that?
So good. मैंने ऐसे चॉकलेट कभी नहीं खाया है. It's very chocolatey.
I also want to give reaction for this. Hold this.
Haven't I told you this is the best place to be?
This man.
Okay, let me try this.
So,
How is the mango cheesecake, Didi?
guys,
You can see
I'm finishing this off.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
We are on a wild hunt now.
This is it.
I'll ask you questions. So, how was your day?
So the day was actually a lot of ups and downs were there. Like our breakfast was very disappointing.
Disaster.
Disaster. Yeah, that's the correct.
Why was
So
it?
in
Why
morning
was it? Why was it a personal disaster for you? Can you tell to the audience? Can you tell
Can I
it?
answer this question, please?
I would like to hear it from her mouth. She is literally frozen in there since I asked this question to her. So yeah.
It was not chicken tangri, it was chicken tangra. I don't know from where they bought this big thighs chicken. Morning my money has been invested and in the name
How
of
much
the
money
cheese-
did you spend over there on the first
So
Britannia?
it was nearly 800 just for that bread, cheese slice, butter and that bland chicken.
So what was the best part of today for you? First, can you answer?
In photo, the best part was me for the chili garlic noodle. Yeah, and the Rustam ice cream sitting near by the marine, enjoying the view of the sea.
And what was the worst part of today for you?
Morning breakfast.
And now what do you really? What is the best part of the day for you? That was very amazing.
Yes.
And what's the
This was the
worst part of the day?
Worst is that Britannia thing, what happened with us in the breakfast thing. Other than that, everything was immaculate, like perfect. All the things where we spent our time to the food, the kitab khana, while traveling, sitting on the marines, everything. Like I enjoyed a lot. The Rustam ki ice cream, this mouth-watering cheesecake and pastry, even kheer also in the Pancham Puri wala. I loved all the desserts. Like it was on point.
Like in morning by having breakfast, I really lost the hopes that it will go this good that our food vlog. I really lost hope that bhai paise barbad hai. Nothing is good in this 100-year-old restaurant.
Yeah.
Bhai, what we should do? Is it really good that we accepted this challenge and we are doing it?
Exactly.
But at end of this day, by
We are
eating
happy.
this day,
We are
so
happy.
we are happy.
We are happy. We are like on the 7th cloud, I guess, because
रात को नींद अच्छी आएगी.
अच्छी आएगी.
There are more 100 years old restaurant जैसे कि आराम वड़ा पाव, that is also very old. If you have Maharashtrian taste buds, the कोथिंबीर वडी there, the कांदा भजी, मिसळ पाव, even थाली पेट वड़ा पाव is also so good. I would like to recommend you that place.
Like, share, comment, subscribe.
Subscribe as well.
Subscribe.
So like, share, comment and subscribe for more content from Deepak Productions. Surprise, we have more contents loading, be it sitcom, short films and even for vlogs. We're telling more and more. Please show your love and support for us and we'll keep vlogging. See you on the next vlog. Maybe we are heading somewhere. We'll get some BTS after this video when it ends.
Oh my God.
And some shots of we're heading to Marines or I guess Gateway somewhere. See you there guys. If not, don't worry, our phone is not dead yet. We're on 2%. We'll see you soon. Bye bye.
अभी मुंबई का सबसे पुराना ओल्डेस्ट रेस्टोरेंट है, पर क्या करे बजट ही नहीं है.
और इसका नाम क्या है मैडम?
टाइम जाएंगे ताज होटल. और हम आराम से बैठे हैं. There was some guy हमारे पीछे राइट बराबर पीछे आके he is posing like this and clicking photos.
मतलब ऐसा दिख रहा था कि they want to capture us for that.